Hello everyone and welcome to the another lecture of the 3ds Max. In this lecture I am going to tell you how we are going to use a command known as shape merge. The shape merge command is used for the compound objectives. It is like a compound primitive. As you can see, the name itself means the two different kind of shapes are going to get merged here. So how we are going to use this and where we are going to use this, we are going to check that thing in this video. First of all, let me make a box here. If I go to that standard primitive and I'll click on box and let me create a box. Let's say we are having a box and I want something to be cut out from its edges. Let's say I want to cut out a text from the top of this, or let's say I want to cut out a circle from the top of its face. So how we are going to do this? So in the for doing that, we are going to use the shape merge. Okay, so shape merge is going to be used. I'll click Alt plus F4 to come back to our home screen where we are having 4 window. I'll go to the top screen, then I'll click Alt W to make it full screen that we have done earlier. Now I'll go to this geometry section, that is first, and then we are having standard primitives here. Then I'm going to select the shapes. On the shapes, we are having splines already selected. I'll select the text. I'm going to write a text. I will click text. Then it is saying what you want to write. Let's say I want to write hello. I have written already. You can type your text, whatever the text will be. You can write it here. Okay. So you can write the text here and click on the screen. Your text will be here. You can increase or decrease its size from the size chart. Okay. If you press W, it will have moving option. You can move it. I'll move it and I'll keep it over the box. Because we are in the top view, so we can see that it is on the top of it, but it is not on the top of it. It is at this moment of time at the bottom of that box. We are going to move it up. Now also let's take a circle, press escape and take a circle from this shape option and create a circle here. Okay, press W and move it up quite a little bit up. Okay, if I click Alt W and I can see I cannot see this hello and circle in my 3D view. To see those shapes, you must have to select them one by one by pressing Control key. Then on the 3D model, we are having the move button. You can move them up like this. And once they are visible, go to the 3D view, click Alt plus W to make it full screen. Now, we are going to use this. Okay. Now, select your box. Then go to your first, that is shape option. On the geometry option, we are having standard primitive selected. Select the compound objects from there. Then there we are having option shape merge. If I click on shape merge, it is having a bunch of options here. Okay. One of the option is that is pick shape. I have already done these things in the previous video. So if you click on pick shape and keeping the instance selected, you are selecting or you can say you are merging the object by keeping its instance active. That means whatever you are going to change it in this text, it is going to reflect into the box. So I'll keep the instance at this point of time, and then I'll click pick shape. Then I'm going to pick this hello. I'll go and click this hello. So you can see the hello is now merged to the box. On the right, we are having bunch of options. That is on the operation, we are having merge and cookie cutter. If I click on cookie cutter, it will cut this thing. It will be like a cookie cutter. Okay, it will cut that hello onto the box. You can see it. Now, if I press escape and if I select this hello option, if I go to modify section, then if I increase this size, okay, so you can see if I increase the size, the cutting section will also increase. Why? Because we have copied an instance of it. Same we can do it with the circle. If I select this box, and if I go to pick shape and I pick this circle, the circle will be attached here. Because I have already selected the cookie cutter in the operation, the circle will be cut out from this thing. Same thing you can do it here. Press escape, select the circle. On the modify section, you can increase the radius of the cutting section will also increase. Okay, so this is how the shape merge option is going to be used. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.